Hello, I bring you another delicious food from Volta region. Guys, today my sister is cooking a food called Dzenkple. This food is consumed especially by Voltarians of Ghana. Guys, do you want to learn more about authentic food from Ghana? This video is going to mesmerize your taste of Ghanaian food. Keep watching the video. I'll tell you why you should love this food. The spices, the flavors, guys, the food is going to make your 2024, more loving, more caring. Guys, do share this video. People out there have been missing some delicious food, so it's good to share. Please, why sharing? Because that's the only way this channel could grow, and which will motivate us to create amazing content like this. I really need your help to grow this channel. And the flavors here are tomatoes, chillies, corn dough, crabs, and some Ghanaian mixed spices. It's very, very important that you cook this amazing food because the nutrients in these foods are so amazing. Well, I'm here right now telling you what you should do next.